Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Ronald selects three numbers randomly from the given set of five numbers 10, 9, 2, 7 and 1. He puts them in the form of proper fraction of the type A integer B by C. What is the probability that you will get a fraction greater than 7 integer 21 by 22? So 7 integer 21 by 22 is nothing but 7 integer 10.5 by 11. I have converted so that it's easier for me to calculate. So 7 integer, that is 7 plus 11 zeros are 11 nines are 99, then 6, so 11 fives are, then 5 zeros, so 11 fours, and that's going to continue. So we need a proper fraction in A integer B by C form which has a value greater than 7.954 of value greater than this, greater than 7.954. So now let's look at the number of combinations possible here. So 1, 2, 7, 9 and 10. These are the available numbers. So let's start with 1. If I have one integer, I have 2 divided by 7, 9 or 10. If I have one integer, I have 7 divided by 9 or 10. 2 cannot be in the denominator. There will be only two choices for 7 as a numerator. Then 1 integer 9 divided by 10, there is only one choice here for denominator. So total there are 6 different fractions possible. With one integer, we have 6 different fractions possible. So with all the 5 integers, we have 6 multiplied by 5 total possibilities. 6 multiplied by 5 equal to 30 total possibilities. So let's look at 2, 7, 9, 10. Now with 7 we have the largest fraction possible, that is 7 integer 9 by 10, and if we look at it, it's 7.90, which is smaller than 7.954. So we are going to look for all the possibilities after this particular fraction. So 9 integer 2 by anything, 9 integer anything by anything is going to be larger. Also all the 6 possibilities for 10. So all 12 possibilities greater than 7 integer 21 by 22. Therefore, we can say probability of that fraction to be greater than 7 integer 21 by 22 is 12 by 30. Therefore, probability of fraction being greater than 7 integer 21 by 22 is equal to 12 by 30. So let's see, answer is option D.